Are you ready to take your garden wall design to a whole new level of elegance and durability? In this ultra-detailed tutorial, we will walk you through everything you need to know about installing porcelain tiles on garden walls with a special focus on using metal corner profiles to give your work a sharp, professional, and lasting finish. Whether you're a passionate dyer, a skilled tiler, or a homeowner looking to upgrade your outdoor space, this guide is designed for you. From the very first step of preparing the surface to the final touches that make your tiled wall stand out, every stage is carefully explained and demonstrated. You'll not only learn how to tile, but also understand the why behind each action, making your work smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. Step 1. Preparing the wall surface before starting any tiling project. Surface preparation is crucial. We begin by inspecting the garden wall for dust, cracks, or uneven sections. You'll see how to clean the surface properly, fill imperfections, and apply a bonding agent if needed to ensure that the tiles stick securely and stay in place over time, especially in outdoor environments where weather could be a factor. Step 2. Planning the tile layout and measuring cuts. Planning is key. You'll see how to dry lay the tiles to visualize alignment and spacing, including how to determine the best placement. For metal corners, we cover how to take precise measurements, how to plan cuts around corners and edges, and how to avoid awkward tile slivers. We also show the tools needed to cut porcelain tiles with high accuracy using either a wet saw or manual cutter. Step 3. Installing metal corner profiles for strength and beauty. Metal corners, also called L profiles or edge trims, are not only decorative, they're essential for protecting vulnerable tile edges. We show you how to choose the right metal profile: aluminum, stainless steel, or powder-coated. Cut the profiles at 45-degree angles. For neat corners, secure them tightly in adhesive and align them perfectly with tile edges. The step ensures a clean, geometric finish that prevents chipping, cracking, or uneven grout lines. It's what separates professional work from amateur results. Step 4. Applying tile adhesive. Like apprising, the right tile adhesive is critical, especially for outdoor applications. You'll learn how to mix and spread adhesive evenly with a notch trowel. Correct direction for adhesive grooves to maximize bonding. How to back butter tiles for full coverage and extra grip on vertical surfaces. We also explain drying times, weather precautions, and the differences between cement-based and ready-mix adhesives. Step 5. Placing tiles with perfect spacing and alignment. Watch how each tile is set onto the wall carefully, using spacers for uniform joints. You'll see tips for checking tile levels with a spirit level and laser, making real-time adjustments to avoid misalignmenting tiles gently to eliminate air pockets. If you've ever wondered how professionals achieve that perfect symmetry, this part is where the magic happens. Step 6. Filling joints with outdoor groutants. The adhesive cures, grouting begins. Outdoor grout must be water resistant, UV stable, and mold resistant. We walk you through how to mix and apply grout techniques for pushing grout deep into the joint. Show to clean excess grout and polish tiles for a flawless finish. Step 7. Final touches, cleaning and maintenance. Finally, we share important tips for sealing edges, cleaning your tiles after installation, and long-term maintenance advice that ensures your tile garden wall looks beautiful for years. You'll also learn how to handle drainage near the wall and protect tile lines from plant roots or shifting soil. Why use porcelain tiles on garden walls? Porcelain tiles are strong, frost-resistant, and available in endless designs. From natural stone looks to modern minimal styles, they resist moisture, color fading, and temperature changes better than most outdoor finishes. Combined with metal corners, they bring structure and sophistication to any garden wall, planter box, fountain area, or patio edge. Who is this video for? Homeowners wanting a stylish outdoor makeover, and masons looking to master vertical installation. Garden designers seeking long-lasting materials, saying and curious about precision installation using modern techniques. Whether you're tiling a small feature wall or transforming your entire garden boundary, this guide gives you the confidence, techniques, and insider tips to do it right. No shortcuts, no confusion, just clear, professional instruction from start to finish. Watch now and build something that lasts beautifully. Advanced tile installation techniques. Tips for difficult wall sections. Since the basic layout is complete, you'll encounter areas that require advanced handling, like narrow sections, electrical outlets, curved wall ends, or sloped garden borders. This part of the tutorial focuses on cutting irregular tile shapes using an angle grinder, or tile nipper tiling around obstructions without compromising the symmetry of the layout, blending metal corners seamlessly. When working with step-down or multi-level garden wall facing template boards, to create precise corner angles before final cuts, techniques for dry fitting and adjusting tile before final adhesive application. This ensures that even tricky wall areas look as clean and professionally finished as the main flat surfaces. Avoiding common mistakes during outdoor wall tiling. Even experienced tilers can make mistakes, but in this video, we'll show you how to avoid them before they happen. Mistakes outdoors can lead to water leaks, mold growth behind tiles, or cracked grout. Learn how to prevent adhesive failure by applying proper pressure to each tile. Avoid tile lippage, uneven surfaces by leveling each row with precision. Reduce grout cracking by using movement joints on long or curved walls. Keep grout lines consistent even when walls aren't perfectly straight. Avoid rust stains by using stainless steel or coated metal corners in humid climates. With these precautions, your outdoor wall tiling will stay strong and visually perfect for years to come. Weather considerations and waterproofing. Your tiling job. Garden walls are exposed to rain, humidity, frost, and UV rays. To ensure longevity, this guide includes how to add waterproof membranes or coatings before tiling, when and how to use silicone sealants around metal corners. For added protection, we porcelain tile porosity matters in extreme temperatures. Tips for shading your work from direct sun during installation under the cure time. Variations based on weather and season. These steps will make your tile job not only beautiful, but also functional and weatherproof. Post-installation cleaning. Getting that perfect finish since the tiles and grout have set, it's time to clean the entire surface. This stage is often overlooked, but makes a huge difference. You'll learn how to use non-acidic cleaners to remove grout as you should buff the surface after drying for a clean shine. How to inspect tile edges for leftover adhesive and remove. It's safely techniques for sealing metal corners and tile joints to prevent stains. With proper finishing, your tiled wall will look crisp, polished, and high-end, ready for admiration. Long-term maintenance and protection for outdoor porcelain. Wall-sire work doesn't end after tiling. Maintaining porcelain tile walls in gardens is simple, but important. We show you how often to clean the wall with water and mild detergent when to reseal grout or joints, especially after rainy seasons. How to detect early signs of movement or grout erosion. How to repair or replace a single damaged tile without removing others. Show to protect your work from plant roots, pests, and soil erosion near the base of the wall. Of this adds years to the life of your tiled wall and preserves its fresh appearance. Final decoration ideas for tiled garden walls. When the guide with inspiring ideas on how to decorate and accessorize your newly tiled wall. Add LED strip lighting along the metal corners for dramatic night effects. As vertical garden planters or wall hooks anchored through tile joints. Match your tile pattern with porcelain flooring around the garden pages. The tiled wall as a backdrop for water features or garden sculptures. Combine different porcelain finishes, matte, gloss, wood effect for texture contrast. These final touches help turn your tiled garden wall into the